When it comes to coding with AI, one of the best apps you can try is Kimi K3. It is designed to help developers write code faster, fix bugs, explain complex programming concepts, and even generate complete projects. Whether you're a beginner learning your first programming language or an experienced developer building websites, mobile apps, or automation scripts, Kimi K3 can save you a lot of time. One of the biggest advantages of Kimi K3 is that it supports many popular programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, and more. It can explain errors, optimize your code, generate functions, and even help you understand difficult algorithms. It also responds quickly and provides detailed, easy-to-follow explanations, making it a great learning tool as well as a coding assistant. If you want to download Kimi K3 on your Android phone, simply open the Google Play Store, search for Kimi, and tap Install. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store, search for Kimi, and install the app from there. If you're on a Windows PC or laptop, open any web browser and search for Kimi AI. Open the official Kimi website and use the web version or download the desktop version if it's available for your operating system. You can sign in with your account and start using Kimi for coding right away. That's it. Whether you're using Android, iPhone, or Windows, Kimi makes coding easier, faster, and more productive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more coding and AI tutorials.